What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. I'm on the road again this week, and as you guys saw in my last video, I was going to be going to another destination here shortly, and I am at that destination now. So I'm in Orlando, Florida. It's supposed to be the Sunshine State. It is currently raining. The weather's been nasty. It's about 70 degrees. It's windy, raining. So hopefully that weather will turn around while I'm here. It's kind of bittersweet because this is where we're from. Angelica and I lived here for a while. We kind of split time up in the north, and then we lived down here for 12 years in Florida. So it's bittersweet. It's nice to be back in Florida in the Sunshine State and all that, but I don't have my family with me, so it kind of stinks having them not here with Angelica and the kids being home. And it's funny, I told Adriana that I was going to see Minnie, and she's like, "Oh, Minnie!" So it was kind of cool to see your reaction. We're gonna be taking the kids here to Disney shortly. That's the plan. So I told her I was gonna go see Minnie since I'm in Orlando, and she was all excited about that. So it was cool seeing her reaction. So I'll be here in Orlando for the next couple days on business. I'm staying at the Renaissance at the Orlando airport. It's not really at the airport. It's what the name of it is. It's about 5 minutes down the road. It's a pretty quick, short drive. It was very easy. Didn't have to get on really any highways. There was a lot of back roads. Didn't have to get on the turnpike or any toll roads. Didn't have to pay tolls or anything. Orlando is notorious for their tolls, so be aware of that when you guys are in Orlando. Be ready for the toll charges, and watch out for those red light cams too while you're in Orlando. They're notorious for their red light cameras, so, and it's like a $200-300 fine if you run a red light, so be careful with that. Their lights are so long here. It's like you can read a book at these things. They're like 5-6 minutes long, so I can see why people want to run them, but you pay for it if you run them, especially when those cameras are there, so because you're going to get a ticket in the mail for $200-300 every time you run them. So but yeah, I'm staying at the Renaissance. It's a beautiful room. Just checked in. Beautiful area. Like I said, it's real close to the airport, and lobby was really nice. There's a bar down there. There's a Starbucks down there. You have like a little breakfast bar. You can walk up, order breakfast stuff, and then there's a restaurant and bar on site. There's a outdoor pool. Outdoor pool is nice. I'll show you guys my view, and I'll show you the room here in a little bit. Hallway's beautiful. It's a beautiful setup, and then the room's awesome. I'm just checked in here. I'm sitting on the couch right now in the room. Very spacious. It's a lot better than the South Carolina room I was in about a week and a half ago. Very spacious room. It's a lot bigger. Very nice and clean. It's got a big flat screen TV. It's got all those features like South Carolina. The VGA HDMI input, so you guys will see all that stuff when I feature the room. But it's a beautiful room. I'm digging it, loving it. It's pretty close to the Sonesta one in Nashville. I think Sonesta still has it by a bit. Just the decorations in Nashville was nicer. The wallpaper in the room was nicer, and then I was really digging that wood floor in Nashville. It was really nice to have that. Just carpet's just dingy in these rooms. You know, you have so much foot traffic. I just wish all hotels would have a nice laminate wood floor or something like that. It just looks so much more cleaner and more professional. So I would still give top dog for the hotels that I've been to so far to Sonesta, but this one's pretty close. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll feature this room that I'm staying at here in Orlando at the Renaissance. Alright guys, so this is the room. It's awesome. It's huge. It's massive. I love this room. Nice and bright, as you can see, and this is the main area. It's a lot bigger than the room that I stayed in last week in Greenville, South Carolina. So this is the room in Orlando at the Renaissance at Orlando Airport. So let me give you guys the tour. So you walk in, and here's a closet here. You got the safe right there. You got some hangers here, and then over here to the right, you got the iron and ironing board, laundry bag. So a pretty basic closet. Just put your stuff in, luggage and stuff, and hang your clothes, and if you need to iron some clothes as well. So we'll close this up, and we'll go on to the next feature of the room. Nice mirror right here on the wall. It's got some nice wallpaper to it. It's a beautiful room. Got tile coming in when you first walk in, and then it goes into the room where there is carpet. So we'll keep walking here. We'll go left, and this is the bathroom right here. You got a separate area to get ready, and then go to take a shower and go to the bathroom and all that stuff. See if there's some more lights in here. That makes it darker. Probably another light in here somewhere. Here's another light. So lights are very bright in here. So there's tile in here as well, and then there's tile in the shower. You got a step-in shower. Nice and clean. Basic toilet. It's clean, as you can see. And then over here you got a little separate area to get ready in, so this is nice. It's nice and big, so if you have multiple people in here, you can get ready at once. So got a nice sink in here, and then we got some toiletries. Looks like we got a soap bar, makeup remover, and then just a little sample, shampoo, conditioner, all that stuff. And here's some soap that I already used and set out, so that was some nice soap. And then here's the counter, got a black counter, a white sink. I'm digging this room for sure. And down here we have the hair dryer, hand towel, washcloth, and a bigger towel to shower with. Left hand side there's some more cubbies over here for storage, and it looks like there's just a roll of extra toilet paper, and then 2 empty shelves to put whatever you need in there. I'm really digging this sink. It's a nice look, got a nice clean look to it. Alright, now we're heading out of the bathroom. We're gonna go into the main room here. First walk in, you got, looks like a little place just to sit. It's got some counter to it. Probably put your shoes under there, stuff like that. Usually these are padded, but it looks like this has same counter surface as the bathroom. Then you got the flat screen TV over here, and then you got the desk over there, office chair, workspace. Another nice lighting piece over there in the corner. Over here is the bed. Got dual nightstands again, like in South Carolina. Most rooms have that. Dual nightstands and then dual lighting on both nightstands over there. Let's see if they have any ports or anything on them. And they do. Look at that. They've got 2 USB ports. This turns the lamp on and off. And then on this side, you just have a regular plug to plug in, phone charge or whatever. And then you got the alarm clock too. And that also has 2 USB ports and then 2 regular plugs. So we're all plugged up over here. You got ample amount of plugs and ports to do any type of charging you desire. And we got the bed over here. Nice looking bed. These hotel beds I've been sleeping in lately, I could give it to them. They've been very comfortable. So I got a cool little headboard in the back right there, a little accent piece that looks nice. And we'll turn around here, see what we got here in the entertainment center area. Some cups with an ice bucket. Let's see what this drawer is. It's a drawer for clothes. And then looks like this slides, so slide this open, see what's over here. Just more storage for clothes and stuff. It's pretty cool though, it's got like a sliding door to it. And then we got a big desk area here. So this room is big. It's a lot bigger than I stayed at in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm really digging this room. It's very spacious, clean. Really liking it here. And then over here we have the same features like we did in South Carolina. So we've got 4 plugs, Ethernet ports, and some audio-visual ports. It looks like we have VGA, HDMI, and a USB port. So that's nice to have to plug in any device straight to your TV, or really just use a laptop. You can use that to get on the internet, stuff like that. So it's a pretty cool feature. It looks like a lot of these rooms are having this. And then over here we have like a little love seat area. It's like a little couch. It's got a nice design to it, nice and clean looking. Then over here the other nightstand with the light, a room phone, a drawer. See what's in here? Just an empty drawer. And then below that are 2 shelves just for whatever you'd like to store under there. And then let's check out this view. Let's see what this view has to offer. Last week we had the pool view. Let's see what we have this week. Alright, just dimmed the lights for you guys, so let's check out this view. We had the pool view last week. Let's see what we have this week. And we got the parking lot again. That's been the common trend for my views lately. Haven't had much of a view, so just looking at the parking lot again this week. There's really not much to it. So what do you guys think of the room? I told you it was nice, very spacious. I'm really digging the space. It kind of feels like a little bit of a suite in a way. Not like crazy big, but it's pretty big for a standard room. So really digging the space. It's nice to have that. The room's really clean. It features really everything you really need. TV's nice. It's got, like you guys saw, it's got all those ports for HDMI, VGA, all that stuff for audio-visual stuff. Bed seems to be pretty good. It seems pretty soft, so I'm gonna be sleeping in that tonight. The view, I know I got spoiled last week in South Carolina, so I got the parking lot view again. It seems to be the common trend with my rooms here. So just looking at some trees, cars, and a parking lot here in Orlando. Hopefully the weather turns around. It's been raining here, so hopefully that'll turn around while I'm here and can kind of enjoy the sun while I'm here and enjoy the weather. So we'll see how that is. So, but that was the room, guys. Hopefully everybody enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions about anything, let me know. Comment below. I'll provide the room name and the room rate, all that stuff in the description. So if you guys have any other questions, let us know, and we'll fire away with the answers on the amenities and what was offered, stuff like that. There's restaurants too in the area. There's literally restaurants right here across the road here. Sonny's is here, which is a pretty big popular barbecue chain here in the south. There's Buffalo Wild Wings close, and then there's a couple other hotels in the area. Marriott's right across the street. Thanks for joining us. Hope everybody enjoyed the room. And this is probably going to be my last room for a bit. I'm getting into the holidays, so I actually get to enjoy some time with my family. Won't be on the road traveling so much, so this will probably be the last one for a little bit. Hopefully everybody enjoyed the room tours that I featured here these last 4 or 5 months. Hopefully everybody learned something and gained some knowledge on the rooms and area. Orlando's a big spot, so I highly recommend this place. It wasn't far from the airport. Like I said, 5-7 minutes from the airport. You didn't have to jump on any major highways. You didn't have to pay a toll. It was all just straight back roads. I definitely highly recommend the Renaissance if you guys are here in Orlando. It's a great city. You know, you got Disney, you got all the theme parks, you got Universal, all Islands of Adventure, you got all the water parks and stuff like that, and then you have Disney Springs, City Walk, the outlets. Orlando's a great city. You can't complain much about Orlando. It's a great city. There's so much to offer here, and there's so much for tourists. There's so much for kids, adults. You got Epcot, which is awesome. That's kind of more adultish because you can do the wine tasting, food and wine festival there. You can drink and eat foods around the world and stuff like that. They offer like I think 12, 13 different countries. So there's definitely a lot of options for everybody here in Orlando, from young kids to even grandparents and stuff. So I highly recommend Orlando. Highly recommend this hotel. If you guys are here in this area, definitely check out the Renaissance. The staff was awesome. Talked to the front desk people to check in and called them for a couple things on the phone, but they were great professional staff. Housekeeping did a great job. So thumbs up to the Renaissance. Awesome location, awesome hotel, very nice, really spacious, and I'll provide all the details in the description. If you guys have any questions about anything else, fire away. We'll answer. Hopefully everybody enjoyed this video. Hopefully everybody enjoyed the rooms that I featured in the last 4 or 5 months. I'm going to be off the road here now that the holidays are coming up, so this is going to be my last room tour for a while. Hopefully everybody enjoyed everything. Hopefully everybody enjoyed the videos and learned something, learned about the area. Hopefully it helped people. It's kind of why I'm doing these videos. Hopefully people learn something about the rooms. Hopefully it was helpful for people that were staying in the area, what the rooms looked like, and just information and stuff. So alright guys, so that's a wrap on this video. Hopefully everybody enjoyed this room tour and gained some insights on the hotel. Then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys next time.